Hello friends, tonight we are going to make a really simple sloppy joe for dinner. I started making my own quite a few years ago. Just a few simple ingredients and you're good to go. You need a pound of burger or whatever ground meat you would like to use, 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and if you'd like you can add in a couple of shakes of Frank's hot sauce or some Tabasco sauce, whatever you'd like to do. So the first thing we need to do is get that burger ground burger browned up. You're going to get your ground beef or ground meat on the stove and start to brown it. And once it's browned, make sure that you drain it well. And while you're browning your meat, make sure that you're constantly moving it in the pan so that you can get it to a fine consistency. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. As you can see, the meat is browned up now, and it is crumbled to a fine crumble, which will be best for when you do sloppy joes. The next thing you're going to need to do is drain the grease off from it, and then we'll put it back in the pan. Okay, here's the next part. Simple and easy. The vinegar and the Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, brown sugar, and ground mustard, 1/4 cup of water, and then 1 cup of ketchup, notice it's my blue spatula again. Didn't realize until I started doing these how much I use this blue spatula. Then, if you turned your heat off, bring it back to a medium heat and get this all combined together. And then you're going to want to bring this to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let it simmer so that the sauce can cook down. The only thing I haven't put in here yet is a couple shakes of hot sauce because I actually do not know where mine disappeared to. So this is Sloppy Joe's, or in our house, Buzz's Burgers, or Messy Monkeys, as termed by my husband. So I'm just going to bring this up to a little bit of a boil, let it simmer and cook down, and I'll show you the consistency we're looking for. All of the liquid has been cooked down, and it looks like we're ready to serve. I never actually timed how long I let it simmer to get down to the point where all of the liquid has been cooked off, but I timed it today and it was about 15 minutes to simmer it. And there you go. Enjoy everyone, stay safe, have a great night.